Hey, it's Aaron, and in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner this year. So make sure you watch this video till the end, all right? If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos and you want to get more training from me, I'm going to show you my 10K per month strategy. You can just click the link all the way at the bottom, all right? Now, affiliate marketing changed my life. I used it to quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my old salary. It's an amazing industry. It's an amazing business, and you can do this literally from anywhere in the world, 100% from home, as long as you have an internet connection. And I'm going to prove that to you right now. I'm just going to jump on my screen, all right? And you're going to see some of my income charts right here. This is a digital product I was selling, okay? I'm still selling it. I've generated $1.1 million with this particular digital product, okay? 100% digital, and you just market it online, okay? Here's another one right here. This is one, I don't even own, okay? You can see right here, let me show you my name, right? Hi, Aaron. You can see it right there, okay? So you definitely know this is my account right here. I'm, scrolling back and forth. You can see right there, okay? I generated about $215,682.83 reselling this digital platform, this digital education affiliate marketing platform. Here is a piece of software that I've been selling, okay? This is an affiliate marketing software that a lot of people use. It helps you to build internet businesses. I'm reselling it as an affiliate, $131,779.54 in commissions. Not too shabby, okay? Now, this is the thing that I love about affiliate marketing. You don't need to own the products. You can just market the products to other people. And I'm going to show you how to do this in a 4-step process, okay? So make sure you grab a pen and a piece of paper, write this down, because this is how you can really succeed with it, all right? Now, a lot of people don't show it to you like this, but this is how it works. Step number 1, you need basically to drive traffic and eyeballs towards your stuff. Okay, now depending on what product you want to buy will depend on the type of content that you create for your leads and traffic. Okay, now we're going to go all the way to the end right here. This is kind of where it ends, but it kind of starts here. You have to decide which industry you want to sell in. Do you want to sell in the wealth industry, the health industry, or the relationship industry? Now, of course, you can sell in a lot of other niches as well. Like you can teach someone how to sing, you can teach someone how to dance, you can teach someone how to get 6-pack abs, you can teach someone how to make a potato gun, right? It doesn't matter. But the biggest industries online are health, wealth, and relationships, and as long as you stick in one of those industries, you will make money, okay? So what you want to do is you want to grab an affiliate link from a platform. I'm going to show you how to do that later on, right? But let's just say you decided to be in the wealth space, which is the space that I'm in, okay? I teach people how to make online. I teach people how to build businesses, how to do it through affiliate marketing, so that's considered the wealth space. So what I would do is when I create content to drive eyeballs for traffic and leads, right? I'm gonna create content that teaches people about making money online, about how to become an entrepreneur, how to create more freedom, how to travel, how to set up an affiliate marketing business. That's the kind of content I would create, right? Because that's the product I'm selling. So we start with the end in mind, right? Now, different places that you can, drive traffic. A lot of different places. This is just a small example, okay? TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, banner ads, social media networks, influencer networks, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads. There's Google search marketing, there's search engine optimization, there's the Google search network, Google display network. So many ways to generate eyeballs, get exposure for your business, right? So let me show you one of the ways. I like to use TikTok, right? So if you come to my TikTok account right here, okay, Winning with Aaron, you can see that I've created, about 114,000 followers, but it's not really about the followers. We want to generate leads. We're not trying to be an influencer, okay? So we don't really make money from the people that are following us directly. We make money from people landing on our capture page to enter an email address so that they can become a lead. All right, so we can follow up with them. That's how we market, right? So sure, it's nice to have followers, but we want to generate a lot of views. That's what's more important. We want views, not followers, okay? So for example, you can see some of these videos right here, right? 2.3 million. Now what happens is when somebody watches this video, 2.3 million of them around the world. It's pretty cool, right? I did this for free. I teach people how to do this as well in my programs, right? How do you get views like this on TikTok? How do you create a big TikTok account? I just uploaded this video right now, which is why you can see that it's a low views. Literally, I uploaded this 5 minutes ago and it's already 263 views. Not bad, okay? But 2.3 million people will watch this video. And at the end of this video, what I do is I say, hey, go and click on my link if you're interested in learning from me, if you want to find out the exact system I'm using, if you want to learn to lose weight, if you want to sing, be a better singer, if you want to learn how to make a potato gun, whatever niche you're in, you want to tell them to go and click on the link so that they can get more training from you. Okay, now in these videos, I'm again teaching different strategies, different ideas, giving different tips on my industry, which is basically affiliate marketing, right? So I'm talking about wealth because that's the space I'm in. If you're in the health space, if you're selling a health product, this would be all about health. This would be, let's just say I'm selling a 6-pack ab program, how to get 6-pack abs. A lot of my videos will be about, dieting and working out and what equipment to use and, the balancing your calories, right? Tracking your calories with a food calculator, right? Things like that, okay? So you have to talk about things that are related to the product that you're selling, the niche, the space that you're in, right? Now, after that people get this value, at the end when I tell them to click on a link, I'm telling them to click on this link. Now, this link is going to lead to something called my capture page. Okay, so let me show you right here. So when somebody comes from my TikTok or my YouTube videos or Instagram, and basically they're all the same. You're creating valuable content, advising, teaching, promoting people on this particular topic, whatever niche that you're in, right? Health, wealth, relationships, whatever. And then after that, when you tell them to click on your link, it leads to your capture page, okay? Now, I build my capture pages using a piece of software called ClickFunnels, right? Let me show you ClickFunnels right here. This is ClickFunnels, all right? Now, I'm gonna leave you all the resources below. If you wanna check them out, you can check them out. But you do need some tools to build your multiple 6-figure per year affiliate business, okay? So how I got results like this, how I got results like this, how I got results like this, is by setting up my business to have some basic tools so that I can actually offer people value, give them tips, and also follow up with them. Okay, that's it, right? Very, very simple. So ClickFunnels is right below if you want to check it out. This is the page builder right here. And I use this page builder to build an opt-in page, a capture page like this, all right? So when people come from my TikTok and they click on this, it will lead them to a page that looks like this. So I'm gonna collect an email. So how do I do that? When they come here, it says, how I started making sales online and created 6 figures using just the internet and my laptop. If you wanna learn more from me, you can secure your spot by clicking here. And then when someone enters their email address, right, I collect an email and I integrate ClickFunnels with my autoresponder, which is basically called GetResponse. You can see right here, okay? So ClickFunnels plus GetResponse works together, and I follow up with them using my email autoresponder. So as soon as they enter the email address in here, it gets added to my autoresponder account, GetResponse. Again, I'm gonna leave it in the resources below. If you wanna get a copy of GetResponse, you can, right? And you can see that so far this morning, because right now I'm shooting this in the morning, well, it's like 12:30 p.m. It's just, lunchtime, right? So far today, I've generated 143 leads, but this will end at midnight tonight. So I think today I'll generate about 250, maybe 300 leads, okay? That's not bad, okay? That's a lot of people, right? Yesterday, I generated 265 free leads, okay? All of them from here, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. These are my 3 main sources, but you can do banner ads, and then there's so many ways to do it, right? You choose whatever method works for you, all right? But for me, these are the 3 main ways I generate leads: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. And now I've got, let's just say by the end of today, I'll have 250 to 300 people a day that are getting emails from me, right? So in my emails, let me come back here, right? After they have opted into my capture page. So step 1, I get traffic. Step 2, I lead them to my capture page. They become a lead. And then step 3, I lead them to my free training and trust building pages. Okay, now this is very important. A lot of people skip step number 3. This is how I've made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. And a lot of people don't teach this, right? A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll do 1, 2, 4. They don't do 1, 2, 3, 4. They do 1, 2, 4. All right, they skip a step. But if you want to learn from me and I want to teach you how to do this properly, step number 3 is actually the most important step, because otherwise you're not really going to make money from affiliate marketing. What you need to do is you need to offer people free training, and at the same time, what's going on is you're you're trust building and you're building a relationship with them without them even really realizing that. Okay, let me show you how this works. So in between your affiliate link, which is the product that you're trying to sell, and your capture page, you want to make sure that you are building trust and you're giving them tips and free training and tutorials, and you're just showing them how to do that particular thing. So for example, if we're teaching people how to build wealth, or you're teaching people how to build health, in your free training series here, you actually want to teach them how to get that particular result. Okay, now you don't have to show them everything from A to Z. You just have to give them little tips, little tricks here and there. 1-minute videos, 2-minute videos, 3-minute videos, right? Or even an email that really teaches them how to get to their result. Okay, so if it was, for example, health, and you're teaching them how to get 6-pack abs, one of your videos could be about, the food that you eat every single day that helps you to build muscle. Another tip could be the main compound exercises that you do in order to burn more calories every single day, right? Another video might be, how you have to manage your diet, because if you eat too many calories every single day, then it doesn't matter how hard you work out, you're still going to put on weight, and then you're not going to be able to, reduce your fat percentage, so your abs are not going to show. Does that make sense, right? So every single day is just going to be about giving them free training. Now the page will look and I'll show you in a second, right? So after they opt in from the capture page, one of your value building pages might look like this. Okay, it might look like this, right? So you've got this is like video number 2, and you deliver this via your email, because what happens here is after somebody opts into your capture page, right, your email software is going to deliver them emails every day. Email on day 1, email on day 2, email on day 3, email on day 4, email on day 5, email on day 50, email on day 100. It doesn't matter, right? And it's going to send them back to one of your free little training pages right here. Okay? So you're going to use your autoresponder to do that, right? And what a value page, a trust building page might look like this, right? So you've just got a bit of a headline. You've got the piece of content that you're trying to train them on, and you can do this in many ways. You don't have to show your face. You can show your face. It's completely up to you, all right? And then what you do then is below that page, this right here will be your affiliate link. Now, where do you get your affiliate link from? Your affiliate link is the product that you're selling, okay? Now, the place that you can get that is the top network. So if you just go to Google and you type out top affiliate networks, you're going to find a whole bunch of them right here. All right. So you can see here, Share a Sale, ClickBank, AWin, for example, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising, Flex Offers, right? Avantgate, Impact, Amazon Associates, right? So there's quite a few here. The ones that I like that sell digital products, because that's the best thing to sell, are ClickBank, JV Zoo, and Warrior Plus, which is not here right now. Okay, a lot of them sell physical stuff, but I like to sell digital stuff. It generates the most profit for you. Okay, so you would grab an affiliate link for your product, and then you would stick it on your trust page, which is right here. So what's happening is, let me show you the flow again. This is the full flow, all right? First, you pick your industry, then you go grab your affiliate link, right? Then you create traffic and content that will attract people to see your stuff, because if people don't find you, there's no way that they'll even know who you are, right? So you add value, they go through your stuff, and when they want to find out and learn more information, you tell them to click on your link. They'll click on the link, and you can add them on all of these platforms. In YouTube, it'll be in the description box. On TikTok, it'll be on your bio. In Instagram, it'll be on your bio. On your banner ad, they just click the banner ad. In the influencer network, they just click the link below, that kind of thing. And it'll lead them all to your capture page. Okay, your capture page, which is built out by ClickFunnels. Again, the resources are below, right? They will opt in. They will leave their email address. Once they leave their email address, they will get added to your email autoresponder database, and your email autoresponder will take over and email them emails daily, and you will lead them back to your free training and trust building pages. On the trust building pages, you teach them different tips, different tricks, different tutorials on what you're trying to teach them on, whether it's building an affiliate business or getting six-pack abs or improving their relationship with their spouse, right? And then after they get value, you tell them to click on the link below to get the full training, and this is your affiliate link to the program that you're trying to promote, whatever it is. And you're going to find those links here in one of the affiliate networks. And that's it. And then you just rinse and repeat this 4-step process over and over and over again, okay? And the more traffic you generate, the more sales you will make, because people will keep coming through this process. It's like they see you at step number 1, then it's 2, then 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the more leads you get, the more people come through your capture page, the more leads you generate, the more people see your free training, the more trust you build, the more relationships you build, the more people will see your affiliate link, and a certain percentage of people will buy. Now, not everybody is going to buy, but if you can get 3, 4, 5, 10% of people to buy, you're going to make a lot of money. And that's how you're going to make income like this. That's how you're going to make income like this. And that's how you're going to make income like this. Okay, and this is life-changing. This particular strategy I'm showing you right here changed my life, and anyone can do that if they use this 4-step process. Okay, now very few people teach it this way. I had to pay a lot of mentors and spend a ton of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, before I found a mentor who taught me this process. Okay, even till today, very few people actually teach it like this. All right, so you're learning right now from somebody who failed for a very long time and then finally made it online, and I've made millions of dollars with this 4-step process. Okay, so I would highly recommend that if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, this is the way that you do it. Okay, so give me a like on this video if you got some value. Let me know your comments in the comment section, right? Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. And if you're like, well, Aaron, I would like to learn how to do this in more detail, can you show me how to do this? Absolutely. Right at the bottom of this video, you can see a link, and that's going to be a link to my step-by-step masterclass where I show you how to do this. All right, so if you were interested in this topic, if you want to go deep into affiliate marketing and learn how to do it from me, go to the bottom, just add yourself, and make sure you look out for my free training. Enjoy, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.